I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we are making pizza 2 ways. Eileen, tell me about your pizza.
This is a vegetarian pizza, Cheri. It started with a homemade pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, which is a non-dairy cheese, sliced tomatoes, and I garnished it with arugula and basil.
My pizza is 2 kinds of meat with a pre-made sauce and 2 kinds of non-dairy cheese. Both pizzas are on gluten-free pizza crusts, which we will show you how to make.
This is 1 packet, a cup and a half of water at 110 degrees, and a teaspoon of sugar. You stir. Just be patient. It takes a minute for the yeast to feel the heat in the sugar.
In order to make our gluten-free pizza crust, we're starting with 4 cups of GF Jules gluten-free flour. It's already in the pan. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dried herbs and salt. I'm going to give this a quick mix. Now I'm going to add in our yeast mixture. And finally I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to let it rise for at least 2 hours. Now that the dough has risen, I'm going to divide it in half.
We're going to put a little oil on our hands. When you have a sticky dough like this, it helps when you're spreading it out so the dough doesn't stick to your hands. How are you doing, Cheri?
Very well. Eileen, are we able to toss these pizzas like I've seen them do in the restaurants?
We really can't. This is more of a sticky dough because it doesn't have gluten. We put oil on our hands and we use a palm to spread the dough out into a nice disc.
These are the ingredients that we're going to be using for our 2 pizzas.
These are Roma tomatoes. They have the lowest moisture content in any of the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes on the market. And I don't want to add too much moisture to the pizza because I want it to be crispy. In French cooking, what you do is you remove the inside of the tomato, which is where most of the moisture is. I'm now ready to prepare the vegetarian pizza. First thing is I'm going to put some olive oil over the surface of the pizza crust. It helps crisp it up as it's cooking. Next, I'll ladle in our homemade pizza sauce. Just a small, thin layer. If it's too thick, it won't allow the crust to dry out as it's cooking. That's plenty. Next we add our mozzarella non-dairy cheese. And finally our Roma tomatoes that we just cut up. The pizza goes in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. Finishing touches, some fresh arugula, and basil.
I'm not a chef like Eileen. I'm going to make a pizza that doesn't require any pre-cooking. I'm using spaghetti sauce, pepperoni slices, gluten-free, and some summer sausage. I'm topping with 2 kinds of Daya cheese. We'll start with some cheddar shreds, and some mozzarella. Eileen, 2 wonderful pizzas. Let's give it a try.
Yes. It's a good meal for all the family. Everybody could eat this.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.